Welcome to Open Box Education. In this video, I am going to explain estimation of the degradation function in the image degradation and restoration in digital image processing. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. There are three methods for estimating the degradation function. The first one, estimation by observation. The second one, estimation by experimentation. And the last one, estimation by system modeling.
Estimation by observation. This is the method of finding information from the observed image. So, first we have to identify a portion of the image that is visually unblurred. Let it be K of X, Y, and the observed image be G of X, Y. Now, the degradation function can be estimated by applying an inverse Fourier transform to the ratio of the Fourier transform of the observed image, G of X, Y, and the Fourier transform of the subimage, K of X, Y. Estimation by the experimentation. When the instrument used for obtaining the observed image is available, then the device settings can be studied. This knowledge is used to image a simple impulse function using the same device settings. As the Fourier transform of impulse function is a constant, the degradation function can now be estimated by applying an inverse Fourier transform to the ratio of the Fourier transform of the observed image and the Fourier transform of the impulse function. Estimation by modeling. A model is a set of equations that approximate the real system. Using the constructed models, the degradation function can be approximated. Now, there are three possible scenarios. The first one is complete knowledge about the blur available. This is a simple case where the attempt can be made to retrieve the original image by applying an inverse filter. This approach is called deconvolution, or it is also called inverse filtering.
The second one is there is only a partial knowledge of the blurring function available. Wiener filter is a technique that is helpful in this scenario. The third one is there is no knowledge about the blurring function. Hence, blind restoration techniques are used in this scenario. This blind deconvolution is a procedure where an attempt is made to deconvolve the degraded image without any prior knowledge of the cause degradation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. Open Box Education.